Hey, hi, are you students of Perfect Academy class?
Yes.
Hi, my name is Priyanka Desle.
Hello.
Actually, I want to join this class because I have a communication problem. But before joining this class, I want to gather some information about the class.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
can you give me your introduction, please?
Yes. Hi, myself Teja Rajput.
Hello.
And I'm Bhagyashree.
Hello.
Myself, Subina.
Hi, Tejal. Tell me, what is your means? When did you join this class?
I joined this class before 3 months.
Okay.
There is a 3 month course. There first is speaking and second is grammar. So I joined both courses.
What is about you?
Yes, I have been joining since 2 months. Now my 1 month is my advanced coaching is now started.
I joined class 3 months ago.
Okay.
Then I call with my friend and talk with her. Then she suggests me Perfect Academy class.
Yeah, and in my case is classes, and I have seen her in the class. So she suggests me to join this because I have some problems of grammatical mistakes, but now I can speak perfectly and fluently.
Okay.
I found out this class in Google.
Okay. Google. So, what is your experience, Miss Bhagyashree?
My experience is really nice. I have seen my progress from 2 months. So before joining these classes, I have some grammatical mistakes, and sir told me to how can I improve my grammar. So now it's been better.
What is about you, Tejan?
When I was coming this class, I was very nervous because I didn't have any experience about how to talk in English in front of audience. But then I met Ravi sir, and Ravi sir told me many things related to English. Then my confidence was slowly built up, and I was speaking in English in front of audience.
Okay. What is your experience,
When
Rubina?
when I first in this class, I was very scared to how to talk in English, but Ravi sir has helped me a lot.
Okay. What is about means? How is Ravi sir?
Ravi sir is very
Oh,
what is their
our sir
nature?
is very good. He has a really friendly nature towards each and every student. He always make us laugh while teaching us, and he also improve our communication while teaching with.
The way Ravi sir teaches is very easy and simple, so
Yeah.
it's very easy to learn English.
Okay. How did you increase your communication power in the class?
So whenever we are going to open our mouth to talk with anybody else, and if we make mistake, if we made miss, and he told us that you made mistake here, and at that time we got the correct sentence, and we got idea about how to tell this sentence to someone.
And in this class, we only use English.
Okay. Any activities like happen in the class?
Yes, there are many activities happen in class like group discussion, drama, speeches.
Okay. What is about means? How is your dramas?
Yeah, look, first what happens, we select drama topic, sir never gives us a drama topic. Sometimes we used to perform a funny drama, sometimes motivated, sometimes inspirational, and sometimes which is related to education.
These all things are you take it in
Yes,
the dramas.
yes.
Okay. What is about activities?
Yeah, we had a lot of group discussions. Sir gives us a group discussion topic on which we gave us our opinion, and after the GD discussion, we make a conclusion on that group discussion topic.
Sometimes the conclusion is negative and sometimes it's positive.
Means your group discussion is all time is on serious mode.
No,
No,
not
no.
like that.
Sometimes
Because-
serious, sometimes.
Yes, in our the GD discussion, we are lot of students come together and discuss. So definitely, it will be a great fun because each and every person has a different nature. Someone is funny, someone is defensive, someone has a leadership quality, someone has a supportive nature. So everything is happens in our group discussion.
Okay. There is so argumenting GD. You are.
Yes, sometimes it's
sometimes.
arguing because someone is not agree for someone's statement. This is one guy in our class that and she always disagree with all the statements.
Your group discussion is arguing on the top of arguing.
Look, what happens sometimes in our group, there is a one person and his name is Deepak. He has always defensive statement with anybody else. So he never agrees with anyone's opinion. He always disagrees and he always ready to fight with someone else.
He
That he is saying correct.
Yes, he always different opinion.
Then anyone can agree with her him.
Yes, not everybody, but someone
Someone
agrees.
Okay, that means are you enjoy that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
We enjoy a lot in class.
Okay. So what
It's
is,
been a second home for us.
yeah.
Yes.
What is your feedback then about the class?
Look, if you want to join class, then you can join it blindly. Because you have three of us in front of you who are telling you about classes, and we are giving you a
With your
best
experience.
best
And there is
feedback.
no class as good as perfect
Perfect
academy.
And sir teaching method are also different from other
Yes.
teachers.
Oh.
You also join this class.
You must join this class if you learn English.
After hearing your experience and confident, I want to just now I am joined this class. So thank you for your attention and time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.